and calcium ion. These four important ions makes the saliva slightly acidic. Nearly its pH is 6.8, that is slightly acidic. Now, the secretion of parotid gland, the secretion of submaxillary gland and the secretion of sublingual gland forms the saliva, so called saliva, and it is important for the lubrication of food and the initial starting of the digestion of carbohydrate. Now, the third important salivary gland is sublingual gland. Sublingual gland location is below tongue. In biology, tongue is called lingua, and the attachment of lingua to the posterior surface of floor of buccal cavity is called frenulum lingua. Frenulum lingua is a word. Frenulum lingua is the point of attachment of tongue to the posterior surface of the floor of buccal cavity. Now, after the location, its secretion include various type of ions, including the lysozyme enzyme. So, in salivary juice, there are two enzymes. One is carbohydrate splitting enzyme, that is ptyalin or salivary amylase, and the another enzyme which play a great defensive or immunological role in the digestion of food in the buccal cavity is lysozyme. Lysozyme is an antibacterial enzyme and it pour the cell wall of bacteria. It is a bacteriostatic enzyme. There are two type of enzyme in the living system which include bacteriostatic or bactericidal. The bacteriostatic enzyme digests the cell wall of bacteria and causes its lysis. The another is bactericidal enzyme. Bactericidal enzyme interfere the DNA mechanism of that respective parasite and causes its protein and causes the failure of its protein metabolism, so the bacteria can't survive. Now, all these three respective glands forms the saliva, and the saliva composition mainly consists 90% of salivary plasma and 10% of enzyme and the respective immunological competent cell, that is antibody. Now if we consider the composition of saliva, mainly consists of watery part, that is saliva is mainly formed by the salivary plasma and its composition is 90% and other 10% is by enzyme and immunological competent cell. Immunological competent cell. In this immunological competent cell, there is 70% lymphocytic cell. Main lymphocyte is Th lymphocyte, that is helper T lymphocyte and cytotoxic T cell. These two lymphocytes, helper lymphocyte and cytotoxic T lymphocyte, are mainly present in the saliva for the restriction of bacterial growth and other pathogenic growth. Now, if we move forward, then we see that the main digestion of carbohydrate in the buccal cavity. Carbohydrate mainly maltose. Maltose is basically a disaccharide.